have to say no several times before they say yes. So I went back again. Hello, Mr. Butterball. How are you, sir? My name is Les Brown, sir. I'd like to get this job. I know what your name is. Weren't you here yesterday? I said, yes, sir. Didn't I tell you no yesterday? I said, yes, sir. He said, why are you back today? Sir, I didn't know whether or not someone was laid off or someone was fired, sir. No, nobody was laid off. I came back to this talking loud, looking at you. I got to see you for the first time. Hello, Mr. Butterball. How are you, sir? My name is this job. He said, you been in the last 2 days? I said, yes, sir. Why are you back today? Sir, I didn't know whether or not I came back the next day. Talking loud, looking happy like I was seeing you for the first time. He looked at me and said, go get me some coffee. And I said, yes, sir. And so I began to emphasize this job. Give before you ask. I would serve them. I would work them. I'd stand in the control room, watch them. Analyze their attitudes, and I visualize myself being behind the microphone, melting my entire calm. And then one day, it was a Saturday afternoon, and I was on the radio station. And a disc jockey by the name of Roger Rogers was drinking while he was on the air. And I was looking at the control room window, walking back and forth, young,
Ready,
and
hungry,
I was saying, drink,
rock drink.
drink, rock. I don't know if it was and then pretty soon the phone rang and was a general manager. I said, no. He said, young boy, this is Mr. Klein. I said, I know. He said, well, I can't finish his program. I said, I know. He said, can you call something else? DJ said. I said, yes, sir. I hung the phone up for some time. You think I'm crazy. I called my mom and my girlfriend, Cassandra. I said, y'all come out on the front porch and turn on the radio. I'm about to
Come on the air.
I waited for about 20 minutes and I called him back. I said, Mr. Klein, I can't find nobody. He said, young boy, you know how to work controls? I said, yes, sir. He said, go in there and segue the records, but don't you say nothing here. I said, yes, sir. I hung the phone up. I said, you must be thinking I'm crazy. I got locked out of the chair. I put a fast record on by Stevie Wonder called Fingertips, his first hit. I said, look out, this is BLB Triple P. Les Brown, the Plata playing Papa. There were none before me, and there will be none after me. Therefore, that makes me the one and only. Young and single, and love to mingle, certified, bona fide, and duly qualified to bring you satisfaction.
I really appreciate you sharing that for years and listened to it now.
I've been sitting here 51 years.
Wow.
That's how so. But even at 75, I still enjoy because I teach speakers. Many times the speakers tell a story, they just run through it. Like an artist who's been singing the song so often, and they just improvise. Yeah. My former wife's Gladys Knight, and she does a song. Yes, I used to be the conductor of the Midnight Train. Yes, and so she would sing Midnight Train Georgia, but she always did it the same way you bought it. And I love that, and I told her I admire that about you. And so when you give a speech, you want them all along with you, and they want you to do it the way you did it.
Yeah.
So there are people in the audience yesterday, when I was doing it, they were saying, drink, rock, drink. They were waiting over here. You can come into a room with strangers, and you can orchestrate an experience, and people begin to step back and their shoulders are high, and they have this hunger in their eyes. I say, you gotta be hungry, and then somebody will say, I'm starving. You gotta go out and face the music. Go with the things I've taught you and make it happen. I went to WNBN radio station on Miami Beach. Milton Butterball Smith is the program director. Hello, Mrs. Butterball. My name is Les Brown, sir. I like to get this job. He said, young man, you have any journalists in your background? No, sir, I don't. You have any experience in broadcasting? No, sir, I don't, but I practice every day. Let me audition for you. Let me show you how good I am. He says, no, we don't have any job. Have you ever been rejected? Raise your hands, please. I was devastated with rejection. I went back to Mr. Washington. I said, Mr. Washington, they said no. He said, don't take it personally. Most people are so negative, they have to say no 7 times before they say yes. He said, you gotta be hungry. Go back again. I said, yes, sir. I went back again. Hello, Mr. Butterball. How are you, sir? My name is Les Brown, sir. I'd like to be a disc jockey. He said, I know what your name is. Weren't you here yesterday? Yes, sir. Didn't I tell you no yesterday? Yes, sir. He said, then why are you back today? I said, well, sir, I didn't know whether or not somebody was laid off or somebody was fired, sir. Don't want to laid off or fired. Now get on out of here. I came back the next day, talking loud, looking happy, like I'm seeing you for the first time. I said, hello, Mr. Butterball. How are you? My name is Les Brown, sir. I'd like to be a disc jockey. He said, I know what your name is. Weren't you here the last 2 days? I said, yes, sir. Didn't I tell you no the last 2 days? I said, yes, sir. He said, then why are you back today? I said, sir, I didn't know whether someone got sick or someone died, sir. He said, no one got sick or died. No one was laid off or fired. Now don't you come back here again. I came back the next day, talking loud, looking happy, like I'm singing for the first time. I said, hello, Mr. Elliot Range. He said, go get me some coffee. I said, yes, sir. My favorite book said, the greatest among you will be your servant. So I became the air control room, watched them working the control room knobs and switches, knowing my time will come. Let us say together, my time will come when I'll be a top producer. And when I'll come up on stage, they call my name because of my accomplishment. My time will
Complete. Turn your great budgets to main registrar with phone and chat support available 24/7. Get started
to the parking lot. The cars will be clean the inside out. I said, hey, who did this? I did, sir. How much do you charge, young man? Oh, nothing, sir. Just wanted to help out. Write this down. Build relationships. Build relationships. Give before you ask people to come into your business. Find some way to compliment them. Talk to them, ask them questions. Find out what's important to them, what's stressing them out, what keeps them up at night, what drives them, what they value. Don't advance with the business. People do business with people they know, like, and trust. That's why you want to tell the story. And ask key questions. You want to be strategic and experiential. Write this out. You have an energy signature. People are feeling you out. They're listening to you. They're watching you. And so, I said, look, here are my car keys, young man. Down in Ralston, the Supremes are coming in town, the Four Tops and the Temptations. I want you to pick them up at the airport and take them to the Fountain Blue Hotel on Miami Beach. It is my pleasure to serve you, sir. I would drive these entertainers all over Miami Beach in the disc jockeys' big long Cadillacs. I didn't have any driver's license, but I'll drive it like I had some. Then one day, it's a Saturday afternoon.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Happy baking.